So let's discuss about the Drawloop, that is an Salesforce app exchange product. So before start with the implementation, let me tell you what exactly Drawloop is and what are the benefits of it. So I'll open my notepad. We generally say DDP, that stands for Dynamic Drawloop Package. Consider an example, you're working in a company that consists of 100 employees and HR has to send salary slip to each and individual. So if you see manually, she can't go ahead and she can't send individual email because salary structure will be changed, and it should if you say logically, it should have some template that consists of the structure. Only we need to change the salary and the name and the email ID and whatever the necessary details has to be submitted over there. So DDP comes here. It's like a dynamic Drawloop package will create a sample template on that. So based on the contact details, it will fetch the email address, contact information, and whatever the tag we have given in the template, and it will fetch and it will send a mail, download, and whatever the option comes for the DDP. I'll tell you further on this one. So let's consider a real-time scenario. So take an example. You wanted to start a mobile company and your mobile price is about 10,000. If you see already too many brands like Samsung, Lava, and many more has already its own brand, and it's already their products are there that worth rupees 10,000. So how you will compare, how you will create an improvement and use like advertisement to the market. So take an example, what you have done, you have created a campaign, and in campaign many people will come over to see your product. So take an example, 50 people came on to campaign and 10 are interested. So what exactly, they will be filling the forms, they will be adding their names, contact details, and blah blah blah. So 10 people, they have contacted to your organization and they are interested to your product. But once they have interested to your product, they will be telling you like we can't give, or we can't afford 10,000. It's a new product. I know the configuration is very good and all, but they wanted to have some negotiation. If you want to have a startup, you have to negotiate for the things. So what exactly? So in Salesforce, they will be creating the organization will be creating an opportunity, and for each opportunity, we will be sending a code to the customer. So here comes the DDP, and I'll tell you how the opportunity has been sent to, how the codes has been sent to each opportunity that consists of an account. You can say account consists of an organization or an account consists of individual. So here Drawloop admin tab is there, and we have a DDP tab. So we'll configure the DDP here. So I already have DDP open. I click on new. So let's give a name, opportunity code. I'll select the type as code. I can give the output file. Oops. Code proposal, and I'll give for the opportunity object the manager, and I'll click on next. So this is the first step, the basic steps, and here comes the action. What exactly I wanted to do, you want to download the attachment, you want to have a Salesforce email, or email will trigger to particular opportunity contact account. Your email, it's an SMTP service, single mail transfer protocol, that also is the best to connect to the contacts. And you want to store the document for particular opportunity, you can also use a DocuSign. This is also the best feature. For an example, you have given a code, take an example, you have given a 9,000 code to a particular customer, but before sending a code to customer, you want further organization manager to improve that, yeah, 9,000 is good amount, and so you can select a DocuSign. So he'll be signing the document, then only you can proceed with further. And you can select a queue, you can give a content delivery also. So let's give us example of download. I have given a download. I'll also allow the storage as in store as in Salesforce attachment. I can give a PDF, separate PDF, original and PDF and original. Separate PDF is like that opportunity can consist of multiple attachments to it. So let's take an example. Let's take a PDF scenario only. I'll click on next. Here I can give a relationship. Take an example. If you see, the opportunity doesn't consist of a contact. Opportunity only consists of an account, and that particular account has multiple contacts in it. So I'll give an opportunity relationship with the account and related by lookup for what you have, and I'll give next. I'll just tell you the basic concept of it and insert update. So here whenever you start with the package, so whenever the document has been generated, what do you want exactly? You want a chatter post, you want to create a task, or you want a field update? So let's create a field update for this option. I'll update the opportunity field. Let's take, I have one field that says next step. Okay, so code delivered. Okay, now I'll click on next. Now here we can tag a document. Tag a document is whenever you are creating a template, right? So you can tag the document. So that's what here the main thing is, like a template will be stored in your document in a Salesforce, and it will fetch the necessary details for the opportunity and account and contact, and it will give the information. I already have one document created. Let me just open this one, DDP application. I have given a quote application, I have given an opportunity. These are the fields I have taken from the field tagger: account name, billing address, opportunity name, and whatever the quantity description. Because I'm sending the code, so I'm just giving the quantity and description. This is just a basic example, and the price. So let's go ahead, because I already have this one done. So I'll be moving to further steps, and the last one is DTP file. Whatever the file I have created, I have to select. So that already stored in my document, I have stored in Drawloop files with the name of DTP code. I'll click on the DTP code and save. So this is the final step. So what exactly we have created a DDP. So if you see, yeah, so if you see, I have a DDP code in my object. So the DDP code is a template that I have used for this one, and whatever the delivery option is there, download, I can create a new delivery option, and I can give a display order for that. I can select the relationship, I can update a thing, I can give form steps also. Form step is like, if you want in a scenario, if it is like you are going to apply a job, and that has a candidate registration page, and each individual you have to submit. For example, first your name, then city, where are you staying, and second it comes your education detail, your hobbies and all. So you can create a form steps also for this one. So this is all about the DTP I have created. So I have created DTP for opportunity. So if you see, there is an option called run DTP in opportunity. I have already taken from edit layout. Just drag and drop this run DDP. So once you click on this run DDP, so see, this opportunity code is there. Take an example, if you have multiple DDPs, one is opportunity code, one is code proposal, one is recruitment community and all that. So you can select the DDP which you want to send. It asks you for the specify the contact to use for DDP. I can select the contact because I already have given a relationship. So I'll give this contact Abhishek, and here it asks choose a delivery method for the DDP. So if you see, I have created a delivery option that says as download. So let me just tell you new delivery option. See, it gives me the HTTP service, SMTP service, download, email, all the options are there. So if I click on email, it will take the email, it will send a document to particular email ID. HTTP service, SMTP service, this also are the good thing. For SMTP service, what you have to do, this generally sends an outbound message. So for an outbound message, you have to enable the package for Drawloop, and then only you can send a single mail transfer protocol emails. So right now I'll just go through the download option, and now I'll select the download option. I'll attach to opportunity. Whatever the template is there, it will attach to opportunity, and I'll click on run. So this will be running. So we are ready to, yeah. So see, code proposal, already a tag was there, already I have given the output file. So even that output file, you can give a dynamic output file. You can use a field tagger. So automatically it fetch the opportunity name, contact name, or whatever the field you wanted. And if you see, I'll click on download because the download option was there. A code proposal has been downloaded. I'll go to back to opportunity. So let's open this file. So see, code application, it took the opportunity code. It took my account detail, India 5060. It took the opportunity name, thanks for the quoting, and it took the quantity. Please verify is the description, India is the price book. Basically I have just used a sample Word file. I have given the table and table headers and data. So this is the code has been generated. So this was the download option. Even this, you can send an email to particular opportunity and particular contact. And second thing, if you see what I have done while creating a DTP, I have also given an update option. So there was chatter post and task and field update. So I have given a delivery code for next step. Yeah, see, next step has been updated to code delivered. And if you see, attachment has been saved here. So this exactly was all about the Drawloop. I hope you'll be able to do it after seeing this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.